Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I just want to start out by thanking each and every one of you for watching my previous videos, my Christmas videos. I got a good response from so many of you, and thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I do appreciate it. So today in this video I'm going to be using a few items from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start off by just showing you these two candlestick holders, two candle vases, and to be using this gold pearl wrap. Today I'm going to be using this pearl wrap, and I picked this up from my discount store. If I can find this online, guys, I will, or I'll find something similar. Next, I'm going to be using these picks that I got from my discount store. As you can see, it's ivory in color with some gold glitter on it, actually thick and it's slush. So guys, today's projects are going to be so quick and simple to make and easy to make with most of the items available at the Dollar Tree. It's going to be simple in construction, but the beauty of it's going to have a big impact. So with that said, I'm going to get started. So I'm going to start off with the gold wrap from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to cut the amount that I need for this vase. Next, I'm going to be removing those black lines that you see. I'm going to use a silver marker. You can use paint. I like to use a marker because it's really quick and there's no dry down time. And I'm going to use that today. It's going to camouflage it enough so that the black lines aren't as visible as they were before. So first I'm going to cut this in half, and then I'm going to use a little hot glue and apply it to the vase. So now I'm going to start working with the pick that I got from my discount store, and I'm just going to cut off one of the branches, and with a little hot glue I'm going to apply that on top of the gold wrap. After that, I'm going to use a little bit more of that gold wrap just to camouflage the stem a little bit. And to finish that off, guys, I'm going to be using a gold bell. The gold bells come in a set of 6 at the Dollar Tree, or you can get a smaller package of smaller miniature bells. I have both of them today I'm going to be using in this video, but for this project I'm going to be using the larger gold bell, and I'm just going to hot glue that right in the center. Now that that's done, I'm going to use a little bit of my Aleene, the Ultimate Permanent Adhesive, and I'm going to adhere the two pieces together, and then I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to let that dry overnight. So now I'm going to be using the pearl wrap that I picked up from my discount store, and this is what it originally looked like, guys. It came in a roll, and so it was a big roll, and I've used it over the years, and I'm finally getting down to just a little bit left. But I am going to cut out just enough I need to create a beautiful design on the vase. After I get my pieces cut out, I'm going to hot glue it to the vase. So guys, at any time you see me creating a project and I'm using hot glue, you can always substitute it for your permanent adhesive if you like. I love using hot glue or the double stick adhesive tape because it helps create the project a lot quicker. So I do that to show you how easy these projects are assembled. But again, if you want to use your permanent adhesive or any adhesive of your choice, you can do so. So now guys, I'm going to take another branch from that pick, and I'm going to hot glue that to the front of the vase. And instead of a bigger bell, I'm going to use 4 small mini bells. Again, I got these bells from the Dollar Tree, and they're still available, guys. And I'm just going to hot glue those on there. And this came out really nice, guys. And so now I'm going to use my adhesive just to attach the two pieces together. I'm going to let both projects dry overnight. and then I'm going to come back and show you the final projects. Absolutely beautiful. I love the Dollar Tree vase. I love the shape of this vase. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it, and I appreciate you. With that said, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.